Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Boss from Home. If you are new here, I share real ways that you can make money online and build fun side hustles without needing a huge upfront cost, right? So today I've got something really super special and exciting to share with you. A side hustle that lets you design and sell custom merch using AI from your phone or your laptop. So quick shout out, yes, this blue striped button up that I'm wearing right now, it totally looks like something that you could design through the Flip app, and I'm gonna show you how that works in just a second. So we're gonna use an app called Flip, which lets anyone, and I mean anyone, create a clothing line with zero inventory, zero design skills, and no warehouse. So go ahead and grab your coffee and stay till the end because I will share exactly how you can use AI to create cool designs, turn them into real clothing, and list them for sale online, as well as how Flip does all the heavy lifting like the printing, the shipping, and the customer service, all for you. So let's dive right in. Okay, so first things first, you're probably wondering, what is Flip? Flip is an AI-powered fashion design app. So you can basically think of it like your personal designer, your factory, or your shipper, all rolled in one. So with the app, you can design clothing like hoodies, t-shirts, or even full print outfits. And you can use their AI tool to brainstorm ideas. You can also see your designs in a 3D model before you buy or sell. And if you want to sell, Flip will handle all of the production and the shipping so that you don't have to touch a single box of inventory. So this is huge for anyone who wants to start a clothing brand or even a side hustle, but doesn't have the money to buy these hundreds of huge boxes of shirts up front. Okay, so let's jump onto the app. So once you get started signing up for your own account, you're going to see that they have a few plans here that you can look at. You can use the special referral link that I have down below in my description box. But here we're just going to go ahead and skip that screen and go straight to creating our shop. So the first thing that you can do is select your garment style and then describe your idea. You can put what kind of idea you're looking for, like maybe a silly comical type of shirt, or a shirt that has floral prints or stripes like mine right now. And then go ahead and submit it to the Flip AI, and they're basically going to render a design that matches your inspiration. And so here is a design that they gave to me, and I thought it was really valuable to share that if you want to show off your custom merch without having to hire out models or book photo shoots, Flip has this cool AI feature called the AI photo shoot feature that turns your designs into realistic product photos instantly. So you only have to upload your design, pick the model, pick the style, and Flip will generate professional images for your store, for your social media, or your ads without having to book a studio and without having to stress. And they also allow you to create the name of your shop. So here I'm just going to be super creative and put BFH Creations, Boss from Home Creations. And then I can add a logo. So if I have a logo that I already use on my website or social media, I can upload it, or I can use one generated by the Flip app. So here are a few of their designs. I like the ransom letter logo. I think that's kind of cool as a logo. I'm just going to use that one for the sake of the video. And so now Flip is creating the shop and building up anticipation, and I'm really excited to see what this looks like. Okay, so this is the shop so far. I can plug in the different details, like I can edit the cost of the t-shirt. I can go in and take a look more into the t-shirt quality. I can put in the description of my business, what it's all about, to give people an understanding of what my shop is all about. And the cool thing is you can upload even more products to get started really strongly. So I personally would start off with probably 2 or 3 creations just to start off with and give people kind of a selection. And like I said, you can edit the price. They do give you an understanding of what the cost of the production will be so that you know what profit you will gain from selling this shirt online. And of course, you can upgrade to a different plan as your shop continues to grow over time. Okay, so let's talk money because we all want to know if this is really worth it. So it's really important to note that this is not a get rich quick scheme. Like any other business, your results do depend on your effort, your designs, and also some of your marketing. So some creators on the platform make a few $100s a month for, fun money, while others actually build out full brands and scale to thousands per month over time. So here is a cool example. Let's say that you sell 20 hoodies a month and you make $20 profit per hoodie. That's going to be $400 per month for a side hustle that you can basically run from your phone. And if you get really good at building a following on social media, your income could grow. But again, it is not instant. It does take consistency. So be realistic, start small, test out your designs to see what works and what doesn't, and learn what your audience likes, and then reinvest your profits. Okay, so let's wrap up with my top tips if you really want to try Flip as your AI merch side hustle. So tip number 1, pick a niche. And don't just pick any random t-shirt. You want to focus on something, whether that's funny meme shirts or pet lover shirts or cool quotes for gamers or local t-shirts for certain groups of individuals. Then you want to use trends. See what's popular on social media, on TikTok, and then remix it to your own style. Then you want to think quality over quantity. It's better to have maybe 5 good designs than 50 bad ones. So test out what sells and what your audience likes. Then market on social media. You can post behind the scenes of your designs, maybe post some funny videos or wear your own merch because people love authentic creators. And the next tip is to start today and learn as you go. Of course, your first few designs, they might suck, but that's okay because the goal here is progress and not perfection. So that's how you can turn AI designed merch into a fun side hustle with Flip. No inventory, no shipping, headaches, just your creativity and a little bit of hustle. So if you want to try it, I have dropped my referral link down below. You can start designing for free. And if you want to sell, you can upgrade to Flip Pro whenever you are ready. You don't have to do it yet. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Also subscribe for more real side hustle ideas. And drop a comment down below. Would you try designing your own clothing line? Let us know what you would name it down below. Again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're interested in more videos just like this one, and if you have any questions, let us know down below. Thank you for watching, and we will chat in the next video.